This is Dirty Minded X coming at you with another video. This is my second attempt at a do-it-yourself solar battery box. Alright, now first things first, obviously the solar panels. I put two 5-watt solar panels on top of the box. You see that they're hooked into the box, little hook on the back. Try to keep it in place. I could release it and put it somewhere else if needed for charging purposes, which is pretty neat. There's some vent there. Alright, now let's look at the front of the box. We have 3 toggle switches. Haven't been labeled yet, but I will get there. I have a cigarette lighter. These things are pretty nice. Got the voltage meter, and then your standard USB. Alright, on the back of the box, this is something a little different. I put myself a standard power outlet, and I'll get into that in a minute. Again, very portable, very light. I got a 17 amp hour battery in here. I'm about to show you how to open this up. So now, what's nice about this box, it was something I found at Walmart, very inexpensive. I think it was like $19. Alright, what's nice about this box is it's 2 levels. Alright, first level, I got my solar charge controller. I could put an inverter in here on AM setup for that outlet in the back. I could put one in here later. You know, I have something on the side that I could put in here, but right now, for the purpose of this video, I don't really need it. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and close that up. Alright, now let me open up level 2. Level 2, all the guts and glory here. We have the 17 amp hour battery, your 3 sockets that I just showed you in the front, your toggles, the power outlet to the back, the plug that can go into an inverter at a later date, so that I can have that power adapter working on the fly. Your on-off kill for everything to the left, minus the solar charge controller. I'll show you why in a minute. You have fuses to each of the outlets, etc. You know, very basic, very simple. Everything nicely runs underneath to wire up the top if needed. I'm going to go ahead and turn this on, and let's look at the front. So while the box is open, so you guys can see that it's on. Alright, so obviously those are off. That's for USB charging. This shows the voltage of the battery. Now this one is for the solar charge controller. Alright, and I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna leave this open for a second. Alright, so now if I kill the battery here, you'll notice that the solar charge controller stays on. Now the whole purpose behind that is, if I don't want to run a load on anything and I just want to charge the battery in some sun, I go ahead, you know, leave the switch on, put the panels on top, put the box in the sun, and boom, I'm charging the battery without any usage of the battery. You could use the battery at the same time if you feel like it. That's up to you. But if it's drained pretty low, you may want to just fill the battery without anything taking away from it. So I'm going to go ahead and unpower the switch. See the light turn off. Now, just a quick glimpse of the internals. I know people like to look at this. They probably pause the video just to see what went on here. Pretty straightforward wiring. I just needed something that was a lot more portable than the one I have on the hand truck. Hopefully this helps you. But this is it's a very neat box. You know, 19 bucks at Walmart. I had to make myself another one. I'll go ahead and close this up so you guys can get the profile again. Alright. There you have it. My do-it-yourself battery box.